Welcome to MN Automation Academy Automation PLC. Are you tired of using long if and else if chains when checking one variable against multiple values? Use the case statement in structured text. It's cleaner for selecting actions based on the value of a single variable. In automation is typically used to create state machines. Just write case selecting your variable and write the code for each value of your variable. Much more readable than nested ifs. Remember the end case at the end. If you are interested in more automation PLC, interactive simulation exercises, or complete courses in industrial automation, please check out mnautomationacademy.com. Follow us on LinkedIn and YouTube for more updates.